I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. I'm here today to take our rightful position atop the throne and proclaim ourselves king of the Ninja 400 exhaust. Many battles have been fought, but the war is not yet over. We have install videos for every exhaust we're offering currently for the Ninja 400, so you can see what it fits like, what it takes to install it, and most importantly, how it sounds once you get it on the bike. What I'm holding here is the Akrapovic full system. This is their optional header with their carbon slip-on. We have every single one of these in the country right now in stock here. We have more on back order. This has been our #1 seller, Akrapovic quality, okay? It's also pretty expensive. With this bike, considering it's an affordable entry-level bike, I wanted to make sure we had a lot of offerings that were affordable and still of high quality. And we searched the land far and wide through all the kingdoms to find the best values. And God, I gotta tell you, we've done it. We'll start off with the HindleWe've exhaust. Under $200 slip-on megaphone, sounds absolutely badass. Our newest addition to the kingdom of exhaust is the Leo Vinci LV10 slip-on. This right here, that's $199.95. That's crazy. It looks great, sounds great, fits great. We also have that available with a black canister sleeve. Acro, Leo, Hindle, Yoshimura, M4, you name it, we got it, and it's all here for you and your Ninja.